the award-winning mental health documentary film. Healing a Nation will premiere in New York with a private screening and a Q&A discussion with the director Jean-René Renville on Saturday, July 10th at the Stewart Cinema and Cafe, 79 West Street, Brooklyn, New York. Come explore Haiti's resiliency in the midst of historical trauma. Get your movie pass at healingmovie.eventbrite.com.
I think that Haiti will always be in a crisis of mental illness if we don't really reflect on who we are as a people and what we can contribute to ourselves.